I just went door knocking. The result is very pleasant. I was able to talk to one lady named Julia. She's late for payment for 3 months. She said she has the money to pay for it, but the bank has sold the loan from Wells Fargo to SBS. I'm not sure if SBS is the correct one. However, the bank who received the loan messed up the payment. So she's just waiting for the payment to be sorted out, to do the reinstatement, and left 2 notes for 2 condos. And some people was asking me what I bring to and what I say to the owner, right? So I try to keep it very simple. I always wear this yellow jacket. It's because first of all, it's for safety reasons, and second, it's pretty damn cold and there's a lot of pockets I can stick my hands in there. Secondly, the way I'm talking to them is basically just talking like a friend, like a neighbor, right? I'm just knock on the door. I step back for like 3 feet just so that they see me. I knock 3 times generally if there's nobody home, and then I stick a note. If they do open up, you always address the name of the owner, because sometimes not the owner in it, it's a tenant. Simply ask, hey, my name is Love, do an introduction, and I see there's some situation going on with the bank and the property. Do you need any help? Do you want to explore some options together? And also ask if they even know there's a foreclosure notice on their property. Some of them has no idea what have happened. That's all I have for today.